going on, guys? Today, in the pursuit of bringing Susie back to her former glory and then some, we ordered the cheapest eBay racing clutch we could find. So we're going to do a little unboxing on it and see what we got in the mail. So it comes from Performance Solution International. Again, $62. I don't expect much, but it keeps us in our budget. If we can make one 12-second pass with it, well, it was worth it. Made it this far and haven't cut myself for once. Oh, more boxes.
Like a kid at Christmas time, man.
Oh yeah. It's looking like Christmas time in here lately. It's so tiny.
It's adorable.
Oh, there's
yeah,
something in there. Alignment tool. Seems the right one. Throw out bearing. I mean, they definitely packed it well. Throw out bearing smooth. On par with any other aftermarket. Let's get into the money. Oh, buddy.
Ooh.
It's definitely got some enough meat to it. But this one has 6 rivets where the old one only had 3, so we're hoping we don't explode that this time. It's definitely seems to be well built. I mean, again, for $62, we are not expecting much. Instructions.
Who needs them?
Yeah, we don't use them. We don't need them where we're going.
Ooh, pretty.
Nice red. I mean, they weren't too nice on the paint, but don't matter. Again, we don't need that fancy where we're going. So there it is. All in all, I mean, $62. We'll see how it holds up. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll definitely got a lot of content coming on this thing over the next couple weeks. And, well, we'll see how this thing holds up. So until next time, thanks for watching.